Okay, so now we're going to do the unboxing of the ESYEST Ionic hair dryer. This is a professional hair dryer. It has high speed, lightweight, low noise. It has a magnetic nozzle, and it comes with 3 speeds as well. So let's open it up because I'm curious. It also comes with an LCD display so that you can look at the settings that you've chosen as well. And this is a new product on Amazon. This is a new product that has recently been released. So I have never used it. This is why I'm opening it up with you guys. So it's going to be the unboxing and first impressions. So let's open it up. Remove the plastic first. Okay, oh, this is a nice box. Look at this. So here we have an image of it. Professional brushless airflow dryer. Oh, I really like the way this box feels. It feels good. It's really nice. Nice quality. So customized styling. 5 precise heat settings. 3 airflow controls. Low noise. Aluminum body design. Ultra quick drying, air speeds 23 ms, HD LCD display, 50 million negative ions, less freeze and hair care. So negative ions are very important so that you have less frizz in your hair. It makes the hair smoother. Oh, look at this, guys. This is pretty. Look at that. I'm surprised. This is really cute. Look at this presentation. So modern. So this has a plastic. Let's remove the plastic first. Smells, you know what it smells like? It smells like a new car. It smells like a new car. Let me take it out. Okay, so here I don't want to destroy my nails, so I think I'm gonna have to use a little bit of this. To be careful, I don't want to ruin this, so I'm trying to remove it. It has a lip right here, but it's hard to take it out. Okay, got it. Okay, this is super nice. Look at this quality, guys. What? So let me see. This is a magnetic nozzle that we were looking at. And here in the back, we have 2 buttons. We have different temperatures. Let's plug it in so that we can take a full look at it. We have the instruction manual right here. Really nice presentation. The packaging is super high quality. Super, super. And as I said, it smells like a new car. Look at this luxury baggie. Is it velvet baggie? Super luxurious. I like it. So that you can put it away later. I don't want to throw away the packaging, guys. This is really nice. Okay. So I'm plugging it in because I want to see. Okay, so we have some safety buttons right here. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at this. So it's going to tell you here what is the actual temperature. So I have here an option that is the off then it's hot, and then this is the blue one in the upper position here is the cool. So it's showing 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 140, and then off. So let me see, what are these buttons here? Oh, this one here is changing the intensity. It's showing us little fans right there. Okay, and this is a little bit loud to be close to the microphone. And when I switch here, this is going to change the temperature. You see that? So it's showing exactly the temperature. How cool is that? What about that, guys? My hair is already dry though. Very impressive. So guys, this was the unboxing and first impressions. I'm very impressed with this. This is the new ESYEST Ionic hair dryer. I will definitely be trying it out very, very soon. So this was the unboxing, just the unboxing. Super recommended. Hi there, thank you so much for watching my video. I am Lorna, and on this channel I'm posting sweet short video reviews of those Amazon products you're looking into. Maybe you're thinking about buying them, you're wondering if you should buy them or not. Okay, so I'm curating them, posting them here for you directly from my Amazon live channel. Make sure that you subscribe, turn on those bells and whistles. Also, you can follow me on Amazon Live, and it's super easy. You're going to find the link here in the comment section below. Thank you so much one more time, and see you soon, YouTuber.